Okay.
Okay, so you were having some trouble with understanding balancing equations and you wanted to look at combustions for a bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I just don't quite understand how to get the numbers the same on both sides.
On both sides? Yeah? No? So we'll start out by writing out basically a table so you can kind of really see what's on each side.
Mm-hmm.
So if we write out a table with carbon, hydrogen, oxygen up top,
Mm-hmm.
we can kind of clearly see where everything is.
Okay.
So did you want to fill that one out?
Okay.
So count how many carbons are on that side.
3.
Yep.
And then we've got 8.
8, yeah.
And
oxygens?
2 oxygens.
2. Yep. And did you want to do a table similar to that on the other side?
C-H-O.
Yep. And then how many on this side?
1 carbon.
Yep.
3 oxygen.
3 oxygen.
And 2 hydrogens.
2 hydrogens. Yep. Cool. So we can see that there's different numbers for each on each side, so we need to balance that out.
Yes.
So if we start with, let's start with carbon.
Mm-hmm.
So how many carbons do we have on this side?
3.
And we only have 1 on the other side.
Yes.
So do you remember where we put the number to balance these out?
In the front.
Yep. Cool. So we need 3 more carbons on this side, so what would we do?
We put a 3 in the front.
Yeah, that's it. So now we can change this number here.
To 3.
Yep. But then, because it's a compound, we've also changed that.
So we now have 6 oxygen.
Well, we'd have 7, because we've got this one here as well.
Okay.
Yep, perfect. So now, let's have a look at hydrogen.
So we need to multiply the 2 by 4 to
Yep.
get 8.
That's it.
But now we've also changed our oxygen.
Yes, we have.
So we'll have 4 oxygen plus 6 is 10.
Yep. And then we need to make sure we change the hydrogen as well.
That's right. So now we have 8 there.
Yep. But now we've got an uneven number of oxygens, so on this side. So
We need 10, so we can just put a 5 in front. And
yeah.
10.
So now do you just want to double check, go back through it and make sure that they're all even?
So 3 carbons.
Yep.
8 hydrogens.
Yep.
10 oxygen.
Yep.
Then we've got 3 carbon, 3, 6 plus 4 is 10 oxygen.
Yep.
And 8 hydrogen.
Yep. That's it. It's balanced. So does that make a bit more sense drawing it on the table like that?
It's easier than I thought.
Yeah? No, that's cool. So we'll go through another example now.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to look at something a bit different. This time we're going to use magnesium. Alright, I'll just grab my example. So we'll do magnesium plus oxygen gives us, so magnesium oxide, but instead of another element, it gives us heat.
Okay.
So just to be a bit different, we can ignore that and we'll just focus on elements. So if you wanted to do the same thing and put out a table.
So there's 2 letters, but it's still 1.
It's still 1. Yes, that's exactly right.
And oxygen.
Yeah.
And magnesium and oxygen.
Oxygen.
So we've got 1 and 2.
Yeah.
1 and 1.
1. Yep. Awesome. So which one's different?
The oxygen on the reactive side.
Yep.
So we put a 2 in the front here.
Yeah.
But now it's giving us 2 on both.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright. So now we can just put a 2 in front of the magnesium. magnesium because it's separate
Yep,
to the oxygen.
that's it. And now it's balanced perfectly.
Perfect.
Yeah, so does that make a bit more sense now?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah, so you understand kind of where the numbers need to go.
In the front.
Yeah, and how to draw it out, and so it makes a bit more sense to you.
Yep.
Yeah, no, that's cool. Awesome then. Well, I'm glad you understand it.
Thank you.